Hey, DC here. Today's home tip is to test your home for radon gas. Well, what is radon? Well, beneath your home, in the soil or in the rock settlement below, there may be traces of uranium. Now, over time, that uranium will decay and it'll send off this gas called radon. Now, if you're exposed to radon for a long period of time, it may cause respiratory issues and eventually lead to lung cancer. So yeah, it could be pretty bad. Again, it's odorless, so you don't know it's there. So that's why your home may be susceptible without you even knowing that you are susceptible to radon. So what you need to do is get a radon testing kit. Now, we can't do this during home inspection because the kit in which you purchase needs to be exposed to your home for about a month, 30 to 60 to 90 days, depending on the kit, and then you send off for testing. So if you're doing a home inspection and you're just doing a quick radon test, you won't really get the full results. So you need to send it off to the lab. And if it does have trace of radon, then of course you have to go in and fix the problem. But it's good to know if you have high levels or not. So I highly suggest you go to your local Home Depot or hardware store and buy a radon kit to see if your home is exposed to high levels of radon.